Hello citizens of Valannia, so welcome back to a new episode of Realm Series. This is Realm Series number 5 and today we're going to be talking about hero classes, gear and damage. So let's get into it. So in Valannia there are 6 classes. Each one has their own strength and their own weakness, and we do have quite a few of the classics. We have mages, we have archers, we have infantry, we have tanks, and we also have cavalry. But what about the 6th class? Well, that is a literal colossus. Okay, so these colossal units, they do represent the raw strength of the race. And actually bringing them to battle is going to be costing you a little bit more troop points than, for example, cavalry. And actually that is where smart strategy comes in. And even though there are 6 combat classes in Valannia, heroes only belong to 4 of them: tank, fighter, mage and range. And as you know, not all damage is the same, and literally defense works the exact same way. Not all defense is the same, because in Valannia your hero can build resistance to elemental damage, magical damage, psychic damage, and yes, obviously physical damage too. And the defenses do come from your gear, your enchantments, orbs and much more. And now armor isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, because each class has its own limits on what they can wear, and this actually does change how they fight. Because mages wear cloth, rangers are all about leather, which is light and flexible, and then fighters can actually equip both leather and metal except for metal helmets, and tanks literally get access to full metal gear. And choosing the right setup does mean balancing protection, mobility, and your role in combat. So there are 2 things that shape how your hero can use weapons. We have synergy and proficiency. Synergy happens when the weapon matches your hero's class. Like for example, a ranged hero that uses a bow or a crossbow. Well, you're going to be getting the effect of that bonus. And then we have proficiency, which builds over time. The more the hero uses a weapon, the better they're going to be getting with it. And yes, even a mage can actually be deadly with a sword or a bow. And the best part is that any hero can actually use any weapon, because with enough proficiency, you can literally outplay heroes that have synergy on their side. So now let's talk about what your hero can actually equip. Well, armor related, we have helmet, we have chestplate, we have shields, we have gauntlets, pants and boots. Then for accessories, we have capes, amulets, rings and artifacts. And then for others, we have pets, mounts and skins. And obviously then we have the weapons, which are just going to define the way you play. And we have named gear sets, which basically if you equip every single item in that set, you're going to be able to unlock a bonus for this set. So now let's talk about durability, because every piece of gear is going to be wearing down in combat. Once the durability hits 0, it's going to stop giving you bonuses. Like for example, you have a staff, this staff gives you plus 20 power. If it comes, if the durability hits 0, it's going to give you 0 power. So I don't want you to worry with this, because you can actually repair your items with a Glorb toolbox. And yeah, basically this is your style, your hero, your choice and your strategy. So mix, match, adapt. And yeah, if you like these guides, please let me know so we can make some more. And I hope to see you in Valannia very soon, and that your heroes rise to greatness. Bye!